Alright, we got a good one today. We are printing RC body clip leashes out of rubber, TPU, flex, PLA. Let me show you. Right now they don't look like much, but you come over here to the RC body, and here they are on here. Rubber. See? You drill a hole, they pop in like so. Then got your RC car. This isn't the right RC car for this thing, but I just want to show you guys. Hold on. Oh boy. Let's see if I can get it to line up. Jeez. Anyway, the body post comes through, and you got the little rubber leash here, and you put a body clip in it, and then boom, there you go. There it is, J3D printing, Jersey 3D printing. Like, subscribe, stay tuned.